Now, exercise questions. Exercise 11.2. First and second homework. Third question we can do now. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to a circle from these 2 points P and Q. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. So first step, you want to draw a circle of radius 3 cm, 4 cm. So, sorry, 3 cm. So you want to take a radius as 3 cm from the scale. 3 cm want to take. So this is 3 cm. Then want to draw a circle. As radius 3 cm. Then after that, one of the extended diameter want to draw, and one of its extended diameter, take 2 points P and Q. This is the diameter I am drawing through the center, and we need to, this is O, center, and from that O, extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from the center means this is already 3 cm is its radius. So this is 3 cm. Then you have to extend this diameter to 7 cm means again 4 more cm you want to take. So I am drawing extended diameter as somewhat 4 cm from this here. This is that point. Here also want to take 4 cm to the next side also. So total. So these two are the P and Q. Okay. This is P, this is Q. Then we have to draw from P and draw tangent to a circle from these 2 points P and Q. From Q and as well as P, we want to draw 2 tangents. So here you have to draw this way, this tangent, and this way. Here also 2 tangents will come. Okay. So for drawing these 2 tangents, first step what? Which circle to draw? This circle. Okay. So first step, want to join this point O and P and as well as Q. Already that we joined. So you want to construct bisectors. From here also want to draw a bisector. From here also. That means PO want to draw a bisector as well as QO want to draw a bisector. So drawing bisector means taking more than half. Then here. One more time I want to draw like this. Okay. Now the construct that perpendicular bisector ready. So please draw this. At a stretch you can construct for there also, that side also. So construction of perpendicular bisector over. So what is the next step? You have to take this radius as this point as well as O. Draw another circle. And want to take the point of intersection of these 2 circles here. These 2 circles, this is one and this is another. Here it is M, here it is N. And join with the scale and pencil, these 2. One here like this. So these are the one pair of required tangents. So then we want to draw another pair there in that side also. So for that again want to construct a perpendicular bisector. So here like this. take more than half and draw here also. Then keep here P. This side. Then want to draw the perpendicular bisector. Okay, after that circle this point and center or center as well as that perpendicular bisector point. Then after that join this from P to this point of intersection of these two circles, that is this, these are the 2 points. Here one point, here another point. One line. So these are the required tangents. C, D. So QM and QN are the required tangents. Also next case is PC and PD. Are the required tangents. Now question number 4. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So if this is a circle, we have to draw a pair of tangents, means this is a way we want to draw a pair of tangents from a point which are inclined at 60 degree, means this inclination, angle of inclination, this is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Want to construct this way the tangents. So if you join this from this O, then this is a way the figure. So if this is 60, this is 90 because radius is perpendicular to tangent. This is also 90. So 90 plus 90 plus 60 plus this number, that is 120 will get to reach the 360 degree. This is a quadrilateral. Okay, so what we are going to do for this question is we are going to construct 120 degree at the center. So first step you have to construct the given circle. The given circle is of a radius 5 centimeters. So I am going to construct first the radius 5 centimeter one circle. So I want to take that 5 centimeter from the scale, measure the 5 centimeter from the scale, that is. So this is the 5 centimeter radius. This is the way we want to do then want to give the center as one angle A. Okay. So we are going to construct a 120 degree, means you can just draw a radius anywhere. Okay, like this or like here, anywhere one radius. Just I am drawing here this way. One radius. And we are going to construct this 120 in this baseline, as considering this as baseline. So here want to keep protractor and get that 120. 0, here 90, then 110, 120. This is that point, okay. 120. Then remove the protractor and join with the scale and pencil that to get that 120 degree. So now we get 120 degree. So this is 120. Then you have to construct here 90 degree, here also 90 degree. So for constructing this 90 degree, you have to keep this potato like this. And here 90 degree. Then join. And extend it, okay, somewhat. After that, want to construct again 90 degree there in that side. Okay, so here you can construct a 90 degree in this particular point. This is 90 degree line. Then join with the scale and pencil, and it should intersect the previous three. Okay, now we get a particular point, this point of intersection. This angle is 60 degree. So this is 120, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. This is a way to construct this type of question. Then we can move to the next question.